Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my channel. So one of my subscriber requests me to make a voltage drop calculation video. So it's very easy, it's not difficult. So currently I'm working in Qatar. So I will go with the reference with the Qatar Kahrama regulation. So this, if you go to the Google, just type Kahrama regulation. So you will get this search result. So this one I open. So if you open this one, just in the search, just Control F, you type voltage off. So you will get 20 of result. So if you go up, this one, the main thing. So they allowed final up to final circuit for percentage of voltage of they allowed. So if you go down, they have given some formula to calculate the voltage drop here. Okay. So me, I'm going to uh, calculate the voltage drop in a different way, which I used to calculate. Okay. So my formula, our formula actually, this one. Actually, it's here also. This one. This is what we used to calculate mostly. So here, so voltage drop. I will tell you how to find these things. So the first thing, to calculate the voltage drop, you need the amperage. How much amperage you are going to supply. So this is tabulated voltage drop meanings. If you go to the Kahrama regulation, this book, you go down here, this side, you will find a cable table like this one. So more down. So this is all. Let's go with the 4 core. This is single core. Okay, here 3 and 4 core XLB insulated steel wire arm. Normally we calculate voltage drop for this kind of cable. If you want to calculate other type of cable, you can search here, you can have it. So here you will see this voltage drop per ampere per meter MB. So this one. So let's say I'm using currently 4 core 120. So the voltage drop is 0.36. So let's put this cable. So I'm using 4 core by 120. The drop is per meter 0.36. Okay, now I have the tabulated voltage drop. So design current, let's say we have M 200, and let's say length we have so 200 meter. Let's say 200 meter. Okay. So the first tabulated current 0.36, 0.36. The second designated current 200 ampere, so 200 ampere. The length 200 meters, so 200 meters. Okay. So now this one should be divided by 1000. So let's put 1000 here. Okay. So I will match. So this is what I'm going to do. The answer is equal. Okay. Click this one. Multiple this. Multiple this. So close bracket. Okay. So divided by 1000. So I have 14.4. So this one must be turned to percentage. So let's say we are using 480 current or 415 or 420, whatever. So let's consider 440 now. So here I put 440, then here 100. That meaning equal this one divided by this. So close bracket. Okay. And into multiple 100. So the percentage is 3%. Okay. 3.2727 something. So let's go to the Karma table. So let's back to the table. If you are in the final circuit, no problem. But if you are here, like let's say this is transformer, this is MB panel or LB panel, whatever, SNDB. So this SNDB, this is DB and the final circuit. So up to SMDB, you can say it's a 2.5. Okay. To SMDB, your voltage drop should be 2.5. Sometimes we consider up to DB, not up to final circuit, up to DB. But if you see here, now I'm considering up to SMDB 2.5. If you see here, it's a 3 point something. So in this case, we have to change the cable. So instead of let's go to the cable. Let's go back. So instead of going to 120, we will go for the 150, the next size. Okay. The next size 0.29. So here should be 0.29. Okay. Now 2.6. Still we are more. So then we will go to the next 185, 0.24. So let's make 0.24. Okay. So this 2.18. So this is acceptable. So we have to choose the cable uh, 0. Meaning 4 core 150. That means this one will be 4 core by 150. Okay. So I hope you understand very well. If you not understand, repeat the video so you will know how to calculate the voltage drop. So this is the tabulated voltage drop. This is the amperage. This is the length and this is divided by 1000. This formula to convert to percentage. I hope you understand. So if you not subscribe my channel, subscribe my channel so we can learn together. Until next video, take care. Bye. Assalamu alaikum.